you're going fasten. Because we have to always clean the bridge. So when you test it like this, like a blind man, when you find say you can drive through, that's the time we drive across. So when you're driving too long, you have to first.
Sure, nobody can enforce.
It's after you really do the fastening, you can go through.
I think you get another line. You're true, you know. Nobody can enforce. Listen, I have never seen anything set up. So who cares about the bridge?
You don't care about the bridge?
Well, the whole community cares. The whole community, because the long and short of it. Like, sometimes when the rain fall and the kids them going to school, somebody have to be there
to help them cross it.
To take back the kids them over. I know a situation where people have been washed off the bridge and we have to use rope and throw to them and catch them back, So so as you hear me talk, it's something inside of me, I grow with it, you understand?
Passion.
Yeah, the passion, I grow with it.